Today we will discuss about the new chapter lines and angles. Before starting the new chapter lines and angles, we have some important points we have to discuss about it. First one is point. A point is a mark of position which has no length, breadth and thickness. It is simply denoted as a dot. What is the definition of the point? Is a mark of position which has no length, breadth and thickness. It is simply denoted as a dot. For example, this is point A. That means this is point. This dot means a point which is named as A. This means this point is A point. So, what is point? A point is a mark of position which has no length, breadth and thickness. It is simply denoted as a dot. Here, then we have discussed. Then we will discuss what is line. What is line? A line is a straight path of points. A line is a straight path of points which has no endpoints. What is line? A line is a straight path of points which has no endpoints. Line means what? A line is a straight path of points which has no endpoints. For example, this is a line AB which is made up of points, combination of or joining of points. Infinitely many points when join each other in a straight path, then this will form a straight line and it is denoted as AB straight line. Here AB is a line or a straight line which is a combination of infinitely many points in a straight path. Okay, a line is a straight path of points which has no endpoints. Okay, then what is line segment? Then next point is line segment. What is line segment? Now, line segment is a portion of a line which has two endpoints. It is a portion of a straight line which has two endpoints. In case of a line, there is no ending point, but in case of a line segment, it has two endpoints. That means it is a part of a or portion of a line which has two endpoints. Example, suppose this is a line AB. Okay, According to definition, line segment it is a portion of a straight line which has two endpoints. Suppose we have to take this portion. Suppose P, Q. This point is P. This point is Q. Suppose PQ is the portion of a line AB. So what is the line segment PQ? PQ is a line segment is here. A line segment is a portion of straight line which has two endpoints. Okay. Then we will discuss about array. What is ray? Ray is also a portion of a line which has only one endpoint. So it is also, or it is a portion of a straight line. It is a portion of a straight line which has only one endpoint. For example, suppose this is a line or straight line AB. We have to take a portion of a straight line which has only one endpoint. Okay, suppose point starts from here P, and suppose this point Q. That means PQ is a ray. PQ is a ray which is a portion of a straight line having only one endpoint. So PQ is a ray which has only one endpoint. Okay, clear? Then we will discuss about angle. What is an angle? What is an angle? When two rays combine each other or meet each other at a common point, then this figure forms an angle. Okay, angle means, or according to definition, it is made up of two rays having one common point. It is made up of two rays having one common point. When two rays meet each other at a single point or common point, then this figure makes an angle. Example, suppose OA ray meet with another ray is OB ray having one common point is O, then this figure, this portion is known as angle and is denoted as angle AOB, or it is represented as M angle AOB, or simply AOB. This is angle. Angle means it is made up of two rays having one common point. Example, suppose one ray is OA and another ray is OB. Two rays combine or meet at a common point O, then this figure forms an angle. Okay, and OA is known as arm of angle. Then OB also named as arm of angle. That means an angle has two arms. That means in case of two rays, these two rays are also known as two arms of the angle. Okay, clear? Then